It's time to go pro. Hello everyone, welcome to PyLenin. In the last 10 months, I have made more than hundreds of videos. Those videos include Python tutorials, data engineering tutorials, coding interview questions and challenges, interviews with a lot of people, including data science, interview about working in the Netherlands, masters in the Netherlands, PhD, PD engineering, a lot of stuff. And in all those 10 months, I was only using this, my phone, OnePlus 5T. I didn't buy any gear for my YouTube videos. Well, I just received my first paycheck from YouTube. It's not that much, but then I decided to invest some money into buying these gears so that I can make better quality videos. So let's check out what all things I got. The first thing I got is this Logitech camera. It's a webcam and it is 1080p HD. It is really suitable for doing live chats. So don't be surprised if you see a lot of live sessions coming up. I'm going to do a lot of live sessions which will include Python tutorials, general programming related tutorials, careers in the field of programming, data engineering, etc. It's an amazing webcam and now I'm currently actually shooting with this webcam. I hope the picture quality is good. Let me know in the comment section what do you think of the picture quality now and how do you think the picture quality was in my earlier videos. The second thing I bought is this Yeti microphone. Well, Blue Yeti microphone. It's an amazing state-of-the-art microphone and it costs a lot of money, but I think I'm super proud of buying this stuff. In fact, the audio is so good compared to my earlier videos. I remember some videos where people used to comment about bad audio or bad display and stuff like that. I hope this webcam and this Yeti microphone solves all the problems. So now we can easily focus on building high quality content on Python, data engineering, data science, and a lot of other stuffs related to programming. Now, if you like these things, make sure to comment in the description below and tell me what other things I can get so that the quality of the videos also improve. Also, I have another announcement. I recently created a group called Programming Career Guidance. This group is not about sharing tutorials, but it's only about talking about resumes, motivation letter, job hunting, how to find the perfect job, how to look for reference and stuff like that in the world of programming. So if you are a student or if you are working as a software developer and you want to change to another field, to another company, make sure to join this group because here you will receive a lot of tips and tricks about making the perfect portfolio for any software developer job. So guys, the link is in the description. Make sure to join and definitely leave your comments about the new gears that I brought. It's time to go pro.